Hello everybody, this is Healing Fire coming to you with something a bit special. Today I will be showing you, very quickly, what I use to record my gameplay footage with and what I use to edit it. This is a 100% legal, free way of doing this. To capture my video I use OBS Recorder to record my video, and as you can see here I have the preview disabled. You'll see why in a second. And for my microphone audio I use Audacity. OBS can, if you wanted to, record both the audio from your game and from your microphone, but I have that disabled. I had a bit of issue with the microphone audio just being way too low to be usable. If you tinker around with your audio settings you might be able to get it to sound nicely, but I just went with the easy solution and I use Audacity right now. OBS, it will show you a preview if you enable it, as I will right now. There we go, enable preview. This is why I had the preview disabled, it's just this to infinity. So if I take this and I move this around, you can see that over there in the background as well. That's really trippy. Anyway, let's show you the editing software I use right now. This is a Lightworks version 12.0.2 with a free license. To get a free license, basically all you need to do is create an account on the Lightworks website, and with that you can just enable your Lightworks with some of the basic things. As you can see over here, projects browser, this is a lot of projects I have done in the past. As you can see also over here, a test for my console recording, which went fairly horribly. What you do to create a new project is you go here, you name your project, you choose your frame rate. If you choose auto, it will 99% of the times pick the correct refresh rate, but as I know, my OBS is set to record 30 FPS, so that is what I use. And over here we can see a project which I just started earlier today. I was just editing this. Not that this one needed a lot of editing. There is some things here and there which I could do, but I would need to scrap through a lot of this to figure out the perfect moment, but I don't really care. What you do is you click this import button. Actually, I'm just gonna start a quickly new random project. It will show you this screen the moment you do this. What I do is I take the audio from my video that I recorded through Audacity. Thank you, Pike. You weren't annoying in the slightest. Take the audio which I need. I import that. I click this button. Select files to import. I go to the place which has my recordings, OBS recordings. I import that video and then I click this button, create a new edit. That's a very horrible thing to show you with. Let's take this instead, sure. Actually, let's not, because that's apparently a very huge file. Let's take this one. That's slightly smaller, that will import in a fairly reasonable time. Of course, recording to a drive and importing video from the same drive it does slow your system quite a bit. Here you can see video, just a random Euro truck thing I did. As you can see though, there's no extra things to put my audio on, so what you do is you add tracks. You can get this menu by right-clicking in the edit thing or on the preview. You add the tracks, you choose what kind of tracks there are, you choose the amount of tracks, and you add those. And then I can quite harmlessly take my audio, put it in here. You can go to advanced. Here you can change how loud your audio is. This is in decibels, so when I say -8 decibel, there you go. That made the audio quite a bit quieter, as you can see on this track. Could say +10, would just make that 10 then. There you go. That's very highly amplified sound level. But yeah, that's just some of the things you can do in this editor. It is quite different to most editors, as it is what they call non-linear editor, which makes it able to do some neat stuff, but it has a slightly more aggressive learning curve. I only use it for basic editing, so taking parts of my video and cutting that out, like that for instance. So as you can see, if I go here and I play this, I'm quickly gonna mute this editor though. That's a very huge logo. Because otherwise you would probably go deaf right now. As you can see, should be coming up on the cut. There we go. Problem is though, if you do this, it also cuts away. It cuts away from all of your tracks you have. So to edit only sound or only video, you would need to drag the video to a certain location which doesn't have any anything on it yet. Then you cut there. Boop, there you go. That way it doesn't affect your audio, and then you just thanks for that. And you just do this. Where did the rest of my project go? Oh, it's zoomed in. Let's just... Oh, that's wrong one. Zoom that out again. There you go. That's just some very basic things you can do in this editor. Other than that, I don't really think I have anything else to show you, so that is basically it for this video. Oh, I do have one more thing to show you. Let's go to my project I was working on, and that's how to export video, also known as rendering video. Let's just take these two over here. CPU usage. As you can see, fairly low, though the GPU is doing quite a bit of lifting right now. Just to show me, I think it's because of this preview. Nope, that didn't change anything. Okay, anyway, you click this button to export video. You choose frame rate, you choose the size. This being the free version, you can't really do anything else than YouTube 720p. It is a free editor, so you gotta take the pros with the cons. You can set it to automatically upload, but I don't use that. That really feels quite bad. Then destination. Don't crash on me. I haven't had this program crash yet. Oh, there we go. So that would have been a first. Anyway, export destination, create a new folder. Let's create my folder. Select the folder, okay, and then over here we put the name of the what the edited video is gonna be. So there we go, and you click start. It brings up this window over here, which gives you a very small preview. Oh, you can actually make that larger. That's nice to know. And you can see over here, it's using my GPU, but it's really not doing any heavy lifting. Same with the CPU, but as you can see, this being a more than half-hour video, as you can see, 37 minutes. This is really editing quite fast. This is, well, as you can see, that's a certain amount of minutes just in the short time that we have been looking at this. Yeah, that's basically it. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video was helpful, and I hope to see you guys back here in the very near future. Oh, one more thing, link to all the programs will be down in the description. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and I hope to see you guys back here in the very near future. Bye bye!